Four-wheeling it.
Having fun,
Come on,
Charlotte.
We're
Having
out
fun.
in the wild. Girl's got to do what she's got to do to get the baby to safety. Back to civilization.
This is a great ride.
Hang on, Charlotte. Don't worry. We're going to make it.
Charlotte, take Grandma.
We will live, Charlotte. We'll live to see another day.
Charlotte, say hi to Grandma. Say hi. And we've made it.
The last step is a doozy.
Yeah.
Ah!
Oh, wow.
Ah!
Ta-da!
Civilization.